But again, my conclusion is, I think it's the same product, only that now it's under the Safaricom. Hope you're doing great, my people. I'm so happy to have you back again. It's another beautiful week. It's the beginning of the festive season. And we are looking forward to enjoying the Christmas holidays. And there's something I really wanted to talk about before we go for Christmas. And so today we are talking about that new Safaricom Mali product that has just been introduced into the market. Safaricom has just announced its entry into a unit trust investment. And we can't wait to find out what it is. And that's why I'm here today to analyze this particular product. Which product is this? Can we all get there? We are all going to start our investment journey this December for our next year's goals. So that's what we're going to do today. If you're new, my name is Sheila. Welcome to Sheila's World. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. We learn so much here when it comes to investments and making money online. So I'm happy to have you on board. And also give the video a like. I told you the like really supports when it comes to spreading the video further. So also I would appreciate if you leave a comment, since these are quite an interactive video. I'm here just to analyze. I'm also learning about the product. Let's learn together. Add what you know about it. I've opened my account. I want also you to open. And let's learn together. Let's start investing together. For those who are new, or maybe those who are not in our country, Safaricom is our biggest telecommunication company, and it just introduced a new investment product that is so attractive to our citizens. And I think they want to know what it is, because anytime you mention Safaricom, we always think of big things. Let's analyze and see this product, whether it's worth your investment. Is it really as good as it sounds? How would you really benefit if you invest in it, or would you rather stick with your old traditional money market funds with other fund managers? We can analyze here based on the interest rates posted, what they are offering, their fees charged, and see whether it's a worth investment. So first you need to understand that this kind of investment, it's under the Safaricom platform, but they're not the ones who are managing or operating the product. So this is just under the unit trust umbrella. Safaricom is just a platform that you invest on, but the real fund managers are, according to them, is the exchanges, in accordance with the incorporation documents and set terms and conditions. So customers can access new products by dialing the *230#. I don't know if you've tried it. And you select Mali from the options that are provided there. Then another alternative also would be, you can access the product from M-Pesa app under the services tab. Safaricom has recently received regulatory approval for Mali, and Safaricom has partnered with Genghis Capital Limited to offer this service. So the maximum amount a customer can be able to invest is 300,000 per day, and then as low as 100 shillings you can invest. It promises a 10% interest rate annually, and I think that's a way of just attracting in more customers. We're going to break down and see this 10%. Is it really 10%? Like if I give you my 100,000, you're going to give me fully 10%? Let's see if it's actually 10%, and that's why I said we're going to analyze this product. According to Safaricom, there will be no transaction fees on that product, and I think that's why, again, people will be attracted to it. There's another major advantage, is that customers can get instant withdrawals of either partial or all funds which are credited to M-Pesa wallet. So I'm just trying to compare these particular products with just the money market we know. Withdrawals can be done anytime via M-Pesa, which still applies to any other money market fund, whether CIC, whether Zimele, any other. Amount surpasses let's say you want to withdraw more than the minimum of 70,000. If it surpasses that limit, the payment will be rolled over the next days until the full amount is settled. So if you have 300,000 and you want to withdraw all of it, it will be rolled over to the next day until it's, because we have a limit for daily withdrawals on M-Pesa. It has also fees. Now, this is where we pay much attention here. Mali, however, has fees that is charged. And this is where most people will not look at. And then later on, you say it's a scam. It's not a scam. It's only that you need to understand how these investments works, and you make your decision based on if you really, if you're willing to take the risk, because every investment is just a risk. So with the Mali, the fund manager's fees is 2% per annum. So what is 2%? Assuming I'm putting my 10,000. I'm assuming most people on average will start the investment with 10,000 shillings, which is majority can afford. So if I'm doing 10,000, it will mean 2% of 10,000 is how much? It's 200. So first, there's an initial charge of 200 from your 10,000, meaning it's already below 10,000. Then there's a trustee fee of 0.02. Then there's custodial fee where we'll be charged at 0.15, subject to minimum of 10,000 per month. Then there's a withholding fee, which is a withholding tax, where the government will charge the customer a 15% withholding tax on the investment. So in total, by the time, if I'm doing my 10,000, this 200, the one they are charging the 2%, around 250 from your 10,000 shillings, that is, you're not remaining with 9,750. They're giving us the interest of 10% of this. So what is 10%? I'm just assuming it's on that flat rate of per year. 10% of 950. Since we have to remove management fee and all that before we look at exact what is our amount remaining. So times 10%, that is 975 as interest on my 10,000. And at 975, remember there's a 15%. There's a 15% withholding tax. Meaning at the end of the year, my 10,000 will fetch me 828 shillings and 75 cents. So is that really 10%? If you look into charges and all those fees, that's roughly 8%, I can say. So it's not just 10%, is just a way of making everyone coming in. But at the end of the day, it's 8%. Just like any other money market fund that is already operating in the market, this one is just the same way. The only thing they are not telling us is that the 10% is the gross interest, that is before before any management fees, the fees charged on the investments. So before you invest in this kind of product, do your research well. Do see whether is it worth it, or okay, it's a good plan if you've never invested in money markets before or in unit trust. I think it's the simplest way, since majority of us use Safaricom in so many ways, M-Pesa and all that. So it will be much easier when you are transacting on your M-Pesa app and you're able to access the Mali product, and you transfer without so many applications. Then there's disclaimers. To invest with the Mali product, you need to be 18 years and above and have kept an M-Pesa active account for at least 3 months. In terms of privacy, the fund manager Genghis also has access to your personal information that you should know. You should also not be able to fully set your investment account. Anyone who keeps postponing investment can try this one. It's the easiest and simplest way to start your investment journey. And from there, also just learn about other platforms. Learn about other money market funds. So this is just basically a money market fund. If you understand money market fund, then this is the product. The only thing you need to understand is that interest rate, don't expect, if you're giving your money like you're going to get a whole 10%. There are so many charges involved, and so don't get surprised at the end of it. So let me know in the comment section how do you understand this product. Have you started investing? It's only 100 shillings, so anyone can do it. If you're like a Kenyan, or even I think diasporans can do it. Anyone can do it as long as you can access your line, your Safaricom line. You can do this. So let's see how it goes. I've also opened my account there. I always like trying out. I want to see what I'll get at the end of the year. If it's good, I'll top up and add more, but I can't do 300,000. I'll start with what I can to test. It's a new product, so we are like the testers. We are testing it. The first people to invest, they are testers. So let's see. I hope it fetches better returns in future. And I know Safaricom is a big company and we trust it. And we are going to invest. So open that account if you haven't. I've been thinking about money market funds, and I like that it's coming closer to us with our gadgets, our phones. So we're able to open the account very easily. So we'll talk again next time. I hope that was helpful, just to analyze and see if you are doubting, or if you've not heard of it, then it's the time to look, find out, go to your M-Pesa app and find out about Mali. Try the little money you have, and don't start with withdrawing immediately. As much as that option is there, when you're thinking of investing your money or growing your money, let it be long term. Put the money for next year's school fees. Don't finish all the money in December. You can save for January or February school fees under that fund, and I think you'll gain something out of it. So I think that's all I have for today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll talk to you again later. Bye bye.